Step into the realm where business meets the digital age. Discover how digital marketing not only shapes brands, but can carve out a thriving career for you. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're unveiling the essence of digital marketing. Stick around till the end, as every minute is packed with knowledge awaiting to springboard your career into action. Digital marketing has woven itself into the fabric of today's business world. It's a potent strategy allowing businesses to connect and engage with their target audience across various digital channels. And today, we're diving into this digital world to understand what it entails and how you can make a career out of it. At its core, digital marketing is about utilizing digital channels and technologies for marketing efforts. These channels include websites, search engines, social media platforms, email marketing, content marketing, and mobile applications. The essence is to create a personal, impactful, and measurable connection between businesses and their target audience. Through digital marketing, businesses wield the power of data and analytics. This knowledge allows them to tailor their marketing strategies, delivering the right message to the right people at the right time. It all serves to foster brand awareness and drive revenue up. Now, digital marketing is a vast field with numerous disciplines. Let's break down some of the key areas. First up is search engine optimization, or SEO. It's the art and science of optimizing websites to rank higher on search engine results. This involves keyword research to understand what terms your target audience is using. On-page optimization ensures your site is search engine friendly, while link building boosts your site's authority. Enhancing user experience keeps visitors engaged and coming back for more, driving more organic visibility and traffic to your site. Then we have social media marketing, which leverages platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to promote products and engage with customers. Here, creating compelling content that resonates with your audience is crucial. Engaging with followers, responding to comments, and running targeted ad campaigns can help build a loyal community around your brand. Content marketing is another big player. It revolves around creating and distributing valuable, relevant content to attract and engage a clearly defined audience. This could be through blog posts that answer common questions, videos that entertain or educate, or infographics that simplify complex topics. Good content marketing can establish your business as a thought leader in your industry, fostering trust and loyalty among your audience. Enjoying the narrative? Don't miss the next chapter. Click subscribe, show appreciation with a like, and ring the bell for more unfolding tales. Curious about what's next? Let's delve back in. Now, onto email marketing. This tactic is about utilizing email campaigns to nurture leads, build relationships, and promote products. By crafting personalized and targeted email content, you can guide your audience along the buyer's journey. Turning prospects into customers and one-time buyers into loyal fans is the ultimate goal. Email marketing provides a direct line of communication that's highly cost-effective, making it a valuable tool in your digital marketing toolkit. Pay-per-click advertising, or PPC, is a model of internet marketing where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. It's essentially buying visits to your site, rather than attempting to earn them organically. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads provide powerful targeting options, allowing you to reach the right audience based on demographics, interests, and search intent. PPC can generate quick results and is highly measurable, allowing you to understand your ROI. Influencer marketing is up next. This strategy focuses on collaborating with influencers, individuals with a significant following and influence, to promote products or services. It's about leveraging the trust and rapport influencers have built with their audience to drive brand awareness. Whether it's through sponsored posts, product reviews, or collaborative content, influencer marketing can significantly expand your reach and credibility. Now, you might be thinking, how do I start a career in digital marketing? Well, first off, educate yourself. There are tons of online courses, certifications, and resources available from reputable sources like Google Digital Garage, HubSpot Academy, and Moz Academy. Gaining practical experience is crucial. Apply what you've learned through personal projects, volunteering, or internships. It's about understanding the nitty-gritty of digital marketing and building a strong portfolio to showcase your skills to potential employers. Staying up to date is essential in this ever-evolving field. Follow influential digital marketers, read industry blogs, and attend webinars or conferences. It's about adapting quickly to changes and making informed decisions. Networking is key in digital marketing. Connect with professionals on platforms like LinkedIn, attend industry events, and join relevant online communities. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and help establish you in the industry. In conclusion, digital marketing is an exciting career path with endless potential. The constant evolution in this field means there's always something new to learn. With a solid foundation, practical experience, and staying updated, you'll be well on your way to becoming a valuable asset in the digital marketing realm. Embrace the digital marketing world and let your creative and analytical skills shine. Still tuned in? Your focus is about to intersect with digital fortune. Dive headfirst into a free ebook spotlighting the ultimate online business model set to roar to life today. The story, though, unfolds even further. As you emerge from the ebook's depths, a formidable 15-day challenge presents itself, artisanally shaped for this e-adventure. Guided by e-gurus, groundbreaking knowledge, and a fortified armory of tools, your path to online prominence is set in stone. Can you align with this unparalleled shot? Pounce with intent. Activate the link in the description pronto and chart your way to e-greatness. Powering down from today's e-earning tech talk, booted up the method, glitches, or smooth runs, plug your feedback into the comments. Did today's digital download boost your bytes? Hit like to support the server. Eager to update your financial firmware? Subscribe and ring the bell, ensuring you're synced for every release. Before you go offline, see that video icon? It's the next-gen guide to online profits. Click, and let's keep your success algorithm running. Until our next tech rendezvous.